Hi everybody, I'm back. I know I've been gone for a little while. All I can tell you is that life be lifing. But I'm fine. I'm back. I'm ready to craft. I'm ready to give you guys lots of inspiration and just ready to get back on my journey. Also, I just want to wish you all Happy New Year. I hope everyone is having a great year. I am very thankful and grateful to experience 2026. So just know that I'm thankful, and I'm gonna just try to continue to take care of myself and do the things that makes me happy. And I hope that you guys do the same. I'm gonna quit my talking and we're gonna get into these crafts. All right, let's get into it. Okay, here I have a gold frame that I purchased from Dollar Tree. And here is the star of the show, my decals of those beautiful green leaves. I'm not going to paint the frame. I'm going to leave it just as it is. I'm going to pick out the leaf that I want to put in this frame. And we're just carefully placing it in the frame. And I'm not going to do anything special to it. And this is how it turned out. Very simple, but elegant. Here I have two coasters that I had made. I've already painted them off camera. So basically I just painted them white, and then I picked out two of the smaller size green leaves and put those on top there. Was trying to decide if I should put it the opposite direction, but just decided to put them the same. So now I'm just gonna grab some Mod Podge, and you can use matte, glossy, whatever you like. I just happen to have the glossy on hand, and I'm going to paint that Mod Podge on top. That is to just protect the decal. That'll waterproof it. And as you probably know, Mod Podge goes on white, but it'll dry clear. We're going to set those aside to let those dry. And this is how those coasters turned out. Let me know down in the comments what you think about that one. Thank you. Here I have another picture frame that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm just removing the packaging that was on it. It was giving me a hard time. I had to scrape it, some of the residue off. And here I'm just cleaning it all up. I'm using some alcohol to clean the glass. Then I picked out my decal and I placed it right in the middle. And that's how that frame turned out. I think it looks really cute. This crate here, it also came from Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna remove this label here, and the fastest way I know to remove a label is to use a heat gun, and that particular heat gun I got from Amazon. So after removing the label, I'm just gonna take my Waverly chalk paint in white, and I'm gonna paint the entire crate here except for the bottom and the inside. We're gonna paint all sides and in between the little cracks there. And I only put one coat of paint on it. I also painted that top edge just to make it look complete. And this little crate is going to be the holder for our coasters. You know, we got to have a holder for our coasters. So I picked out another of those beautiful green decals. And if you want to use some Mod Podge to seal that, you certainly can. I didn't do it on this one. And here I'm just showing you the different decals that I used. And this is how this one turned out. Here we are at our final DIY. This is a candle holder that I picked up from Goodwill, and it was only 99 cents, so that's a win for me. After removing the label, I cleaned it all up with a baby wipe. And after cleaning it up, I am not going to paint it or anything. I kind of like that rusted look it has. And this is the decal I chose for this one. And if you want to put a decal like on each side, of course you can. I didn't because I didn't have one that was the same size. The rest of my decals were, you know, larger. And here I purchased these little tea light candles from Dollar Tree. I chose this one because it changes different colors. I kind of like that. And here is how this one turned out. Here's a final look at all the projects I did in this video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and please let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite today. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate the support from everyone. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you really liked everything, just subscribe to the channel, and a reminder, it's free to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.